an anomaly, a little thing with these decks. Although I've got the mains connected, the start stop obviously is off. If you grab hold of the little motor pulley and rotate it, you can feel a little bit of dithering as the motor's trying to drive, and that's due to the spark suppression capacitor just passing a little bit of current that's connected across the start stop switch there, but that's not usual, nothing wrong with that at all. Okay, I've topped up with oil. That's about the amount of oil needed. You see down the bearing there. Okay, and the oil I'm using is this 3-in-1 SAE 20 oil, which is as good as anything. Now that's plugged, I can tip it on its side, hopefully. Make sure that the cover is on the stylus, just in case you knock it accidentally, and we'll tip it up. Now there you can see, in fact I've replaced two capacitors just why I got the thing open. That's the capacitor across the start stop switch, and that's the capacitor that changes the phase of one of the windings in the motor. It gives it a 90-degree shift. You can see that I've fitted this SRM thrust bearing modification on the end here, just glued on, Allen key in the end there, so I can adjust the thrust. But what I've done is made a hole in the base, so that I can get at this and adjust it without taking the bottom off if necessary. So that's the base screwed back on, and there's the new hole I've drilled in to gain access to the thrust adjustment, so I can get at that without taking the base off. Now we're upright again. I've not lost any oil out of the bearing whilst it was on its side. I'll just put a tiny drop in before I drop the inner platter down. Yes. That's okay. Put the platter on. The inner platter's on. It will sink down once I get the main platter fitted to give that extra little bit of weight. Main platter's on now, so just need to let it sink down. See how beautiful it rotates. It'll just rotate forever, well, almost. Just let it sink down. Now that the spindle's sunk down, I can take out the outer platter, which I will do to fit the belt back on. So take that off and fit the belt and put the platter back on, and away we go. Okay, the belt's fitted. Line itself up. No knocking from the motor bearing. I'll fit the top platter now. Okay, top platter fitted. job finished. To stop it from knocking. These were the instructions that came with the kit. So you've got an idea, if you need to do an idea what you need to do if you need to fit this kit. Yeah, that's running smooth now. Ready to go.